Welcome, everybody. This is Mr. Storm, and this is a quick look at what your assignment will look like when you're finished with this week's projects, right? So, in the last couple weeks, we built the structure of the web page. We put some links here to our favorite websites. We put some images here for our favorite movies, and those link to the IMDb page for the websites. Now, down here, we have our My Class schedule. This week, your focus was to create a table and to create a form, right? So in the My Class schedule, I created a table, and the table is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns wide. Now, notice that there's nothing here, there's no text here, and that's okay because this cell right here, I didn't want anything there because I wanted a table header on the top row and a table header coming down the side as well. So this is just empty space. It's basically just a table header element with nothing in it. It's just blank, right? Um, but I have, these 6 rows, and then I have 6 columns and 3 rows. And so first period A day is going to be English, and second period's history, third is Spanish, fourth period is PE, and the fifth period is programming, right? And your table, again, it doesn't have to look pretty. We're going to focus on making things look pretty next semester or next term. That's what we're focused on, is making all this stuff look nice. Now with the form, I have a form here with a couple of different contact or some options here. I can type in my email, dstorm at Utah Military Academy, blah, 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 right? I could type in my email there. I can check that, yes, I want to be contacted, or maybe I don't. Maybe I'm on the fence, right? I can check one of these options. And I can also pick what ice creams I like. I like chocolate and strawberry and vanilla. And you know what? I like peanut butter as well. Maybe I don't like chocolate as much. Anyway, but the form works the way I want it to. And then I have a button down here to submit my form when I'm done filling it out. Now, obviously, this button doesn't go anywhere, so don't freak out if your button doesn't work. It's not supposed to, right? It's just there because forms have buttons. That's what they do. Right. But once you get your website looking like this, where you've added a table and you've added a form, you're done for the week. So again, once again, I'm going to ask you to please, please, please review the information on W3 schools, go through the exercises, watch my videos, understand this information. Don't just throw it up there. Really pay attention to what you're doing, because in a couple weeks you're going to be working on your final project for this term, and you're going to need to utilize all the skills we've been going over this term in order to build your final project. Okay, so make sure you understand what you're doing. I think the only difficult thing we've done so far is probably tables, and that's just because it's kind of hard to imagine what it's going to look like when we're writing it out. So if you're struggling with that, make as many tables as you want. Put a bunch of them in here. Practice, practice, practice. That's the only way you're going to get better. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm going to shut my gab, and I'm going to let you get to work on this assignment. Please, again, practice as much as you can, and always ask me for help if you're struggling with something and you can't quite figure it out. That's my job. All right, I'm going to let you go, and good luck.